Brace yourself for the secretary bird, Africa's deadly stalker. This isn't some pretty bird, it's a feathered freight train of death. Roaming the African plains, it hunts with no mercy. Bam! Kicks that crushed cobra's 5 times its weight in half a heartbeat. Razor-sharp talons rip hairs apart. Jackals scatter in terror, even venomous snakes get stomped into the dirt. Legs like steel pistons, scales tougher than armor. It's built to kill, born to dominate. It doesn't swoop from the sky. No, it stalks the ground, tireless, fearless, covering miles to track its next victim. 2-meter wings flare out, not for flight, but for the sheer thrill of intimidation. This isn't just a predator, it's a savage, relentless force of nature. A walking nightmare that makes the wild tremble. You're not ready for this. Picture this, a predator so fast it can take down a deadly cobra in the blink of an eye. Meet the secretary bird, ruler of the African Savanna. Standing over 4 feet tall with a wingspan stretching nearly 7 feet, this isn't just a bird, it's a warrior, a relentless force of nature. Look at that, long legs like stilts, a sleek gray coat, and a head like an eagle, proud and fierce. But check out those quill-like feathers on its head, like an old-time secretary with pens tucked behind the ear. Don't let the elegant look fool you. This is a hunting machine. Unlike other birds of prey that use beaks or claws, the secretary bird has its own weapon, those legs. One kick packs 195 newtons of force, 5 times its body weight. To put that in perspective, it's like a 150-pound person hitting with 750 pounds of force. And the speed? Just 15 milliseconds, faster than you can blink. Mind-blowing, right? Watch this. A cobra, one of nature's deadliest killers, hood flared, ready to strike. But the secretary bird? Cool as ice. It circles, wings spread wide to confuse the snake. Then, bam! A lightning-fast kick, and the snake's done. This isn't just hunting, it's a masterpiece of power. Forget soaring like an eagle. This bird hunts on foot. It patrols the grasslands like a boss, covering up to 20 miles a day. Stamina, unmatched. Hares, mice, small birds, all fair game. When it picks up speed, those legs spring into action, and one kick seals the deal. Incredible! But don't think it only hunts small prey. When jackals, those cunning, aggressive scavengers, dare to invade its turf, the secretary bird doesn't back down. It stands tall, wings out, legs ready to fight. One kick, and the jackal bolts. Even seasoned predators bow to this feathered warrior. But there's another side. It's a protector, a devoted parent. The secretary bird mates for life, building nests high in thorny acacia trees to keep its young safe. When jackals or other threats eye its chicks, it fights without mercy. Love and strength combined. Truly admirable. With wings spanning over 6 feet, it can soar when it needs to. But why fly when you rule the ground? Those thick scales on its legs? Natural armor against snake venom. Poison, no problem. It faces danger head-on, fearless and unfazed. And its role? A true hero. By taking out venomous snakes, the secretary bird keeps the savanna safe for animals and people alike. Without it, snakes would overrun the land, disrupting the balance. It's nature's guardian, the soul of the wild. The secretary bird isn't just a bird, it's a symbol of strength, resilience, and the untamed spirit of Africa. When we protect this incredible creature, we keep the wild alive. Remember, in the world of wings and claws, the secretary bird reigns supreme, a living legend. With kicks faster than a heartbeat and an unbreakable spirit to defend its wild home, the secretary bird isn't just a hunter. It's a symbol of nature's raw power. But this incredible creature is facing a battle for survival. Habitat loss and human encroachment are pushing it to the edge. We can't let this legend vanish into the shadows. Now, it's up to us. If you've been blown away by the strength and beauty of the secretary bird, join us in protecting it. Hit that like button to stand with us, share this video to spread the word, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Let's spark a conversation to save this magnificent bird. Protect the secretary bird. Like, share, comment.